Hey guys, Steve Maxwell with Funtown RV. Today we're going to be looking at the Cherokee Timberwolf 39SR. Before we go take a look, I do want to tell y'all we have a new Facebook group. It is Texas RV Buy, Sell, Trade, and Tips by Funtown RV. We're going to have all of our latest used models on there. You'll see me posting some options on there. We're also going to have some videos for tips and tricks. Make sure y'all go check it out. Let's go check out this Timberwolf. All right, this Timberwolf is going to be a destination camper. That being said, it's not meant to be moved very often, so it's going to have a manual tongue jack. It's going to work just fine for what you're using it for. Right behind that, you're going to have two large propane tanks, going to give you plenty of gas for your furnace, grill tops through your extended stay. Back behind that, you are going to have your 12-volt waterproof battery bunks. All right, on the door side of this Timberwolf, we are gonna have our large 12-volt Solaire awning. It's gonna be auto dump, just like all of our other awnings. Have some access lights, as well as your large residential sliding glass door. That's gonna give you a nice residential feel for this. And as always, you got your nice solid steps down here. Moving back a little bit further, you're gonna have a slide in the middle. And over here, you're gonna have an entertainment area. You have a TV mount, TV hookups with your two waterproof speakers. So that's gonna be nice for watching the game, anything you wanna watch on the TV outside. At the back, you are gonna see this camper looks a little bit different than most. It dips down in the rear. That's because this is a drop frame camper. It does have a loft up top, so that gives you a little bit more room in the bedroom. Down here, it being a destination, of course, it is gonna have manual stabilizers. You're not gonna be taking this whole bunch of different places in one weekend. It's meant to be put in one spot and stay. In the back, you are going to see that you have all the standard setups that you would have on a travel trailer, got all your lights. You do also have a hookup for a Lippert ladder if you want to add that in the future to check on your roof when you need to. Your plug for the Timberwolf is going to be a 50 amp to accommodate your two ACs. You're also going to have a nice storage compartment underneath your master bed. So you got plenty of storage for any other goods you're gonna need on the lake, at the deer lease, whatever you're gonna be using it for. The Timberwolf is gonna be set up with a tankless hot water heater that's gonna run off propane. That way you don't have to wait for your entire tank to fill up to get hot water again. It's gonna constantly give you that hot water flow. Moving forward, you're gonna have an outdoor shower. If you're at the lake, at the deer lease, and kids are getting dirty, you need to clean off some boots, you have that there. Some more connections for your water so that you can winterize it if you need to. City water, freshwater connection, and also your black tank flush are gonna be right here as well. All right guys, before we take a look at the inside of this Timberwolf, I do wanna let y'all know every single one of our locations does have an outfitter for parts. Camptown Outfitters. Any part you're gonna need for your RV, let it be wheel chocks, sewer lines, sink faucets. You can even get a new Traeger grill. We have a new website. It's gonna be mycamptown.com. Anything you want, you can buy it online there. Let's go take a look at the inside of this Timberwolf. All right, guys, now that we're inside the Cherokee Timberwolf, you can see this is a massive camper. You're gonna have a huge entertainment center with brick and mortar design around the TV. You're gonna have your TS fireplace down low that is gonna put off heat, and it runs off 12 volts, so you don't have to burn up all your propane trying to heat up the camper. To my left, we are gonna have a pull-out couch that does offer another sleeping area. There's gonna be one right across from me as well in the opposite slide. Moving forward, you are gonna have two recliners directly in front of the TV. It's gonna give you a nice, relaxing area to watch your football games. The Timberwolf, like most of the other Cherokees, is gonna feature your zebra blinds. A really nice thing about that is it's gonna offer as shades and blackout blinds. The further you pull it down, the more it adjusts. You can let out some light, or you can make it a blackout curtain. Completely up to you. In the kitchen of the Timberwolf, you're gonna see a massive kitchen. It gives you plenty of space for prepping meals, nice residential feel. No booth in this one. You're gonna have a freestanding table with an extension if you wanna add a few extra inches to the table. Behind me, you're gonna have a nice countertop with your sink. It's gonna have the same trim as the entertainment center, and all through here, you're gonna have plenty of storage. The Cherokee is also gonna feature a 3-burner stove on top. That's gonna give you plenty of cooking area no matter where you are, and you're gonna have a nice deep propane oven. You can cook whatever meal you want to for the family. Right above that, we are gonna have your microwave for those quick and fast meals while you're on the go. And of course, being a destination camper, you're gonna have a massive refrigerator. So it's got plenty of space inside for everything you're gonna need. And it's got drawers down here that you can option for a fridge or freezer. And another cool feature the Timberwolf has, right above that, you have storage for your wine bottles. On the opposite side of the kitchen, if it is game day and you start running out of seating in the living room, don't worry, you got a nice bar with 2 bar stools that come with the camper. All right guys, before we go to the bathroom and the sleeping area, I want to let you know we are always trying to make it as easy as possible for y'all to purchase with us. We're introducing the customer toolbox on our website. It gives you every bit of information you need, from what trailer you can tow with your vehicle, to what your trade appraisal looks like, to what financing you can get. We also have videos that are going to show you tips and tricks of how to use your RV in the camping ground, as well as manuals for every RV we carry. All right, let's go take a look at the bathroom and bedrooms. The bathroom on the Timberwolf is gonna be one of the largest in the Cherokee line. You're gonna have a large porcelain toilet. It's gonna be really similar to the one you have at home. Also gonna have a full stand-up shower with sliding glass door, and you're gonna have a full-size mirror with sink right below. This Timberwolf is gonna offer a loft for your kids. It's gonna have 2 mattresses with a bedside table and plenty of storage for their clothes. The bedroom on the Timberwolf is gonna be nice and big, as it should in a destination camper. You're gonna have full-size bed, bedside tables right above your pillows, USBs on one side, and a quick charger for a Furrion lit speaker. Bedroom is also gonna have plenty of storage, as well as a place to mount a TV with your TV hookups if you wanna have one in the bedroom. Also, a really nice feature to have in a destination camper is washer dryer. So this one is going to have hookups for a combo washer dryer. That's going to be one that is a washer dryer in one unit. This can't accept a stackable, but you get to save a little bit of weight and a little bit of money by going with one unit. Timberwolf is going to have a nice full-size bed. I'm 6'2" and I still have plenty of room on this bed. It is completely comfortable. I would have no issue staying in this camper. All right guys, that's gonna be it for the Cherokee Timberwolf 39SR. If there's any other models y'all wanna see, please comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always remember, the fun starts here.